First question is, what is called the brain of the computer? And the answer is CPU. Second question is, what is the full form of CPU? And the answer is Central Processing Unit. Third question is, RAM is which type of memory? And the answer is temporary. Fourth question is, what type of device is a monitor? And the answer is output. Fifth question is, what is the primary use of keyboard? And the answer is typing. Sixth question is, where is data permanently stored in a computer? And the answer is hard disk. Seventh question is, what is the full form of www? And the answer is World Wide Web. Eighth question is, which was the first Indian supercomputer? And the answer is Param 8000. Ninth question is, what type of device is a mouse? And the answer is input device. 10th question is, what is the process of starting a computer call? And the answer is booting. 11th question is, MS Word is an example of. And the answer is application software. 12th question is, what is the primary use of email? And the answer is sending messages. 13th question is, 1 KB is equals to. And the answer is 1024 bytes. 14th question is, what type of device is a printer? And the answer is output device. 15th question is, Windows is a. And the answer is operating system. 16th question is, Google is a. And the answer is search engine. 17th question is, what is the use of Ctrl plus C? And the answer is copy. 18th question is, what is the use of Ctrl plus V? And the answer is paste. 19th question is, what is the use of Ctrl plus X? And the answer is cut. 20th question is, what is the full form of RAM? And the answer is random access memory. 21st question is, what is the full form of ROM? And the answer is read-only memory. 22nd question is, which of the following is a web browser? And the answer is Chrome. 23rd question is MS Excel is used for. And the answer is spreadsheets. 24th question is MS PowerPoint is used for. And the answer is presentations. 25th question is which key is used to delete a file? And the answer is delete. 26th question is which of the following is an antivirus program? And the answer is Quick Heal. 27th question is the internet is used for. And the answer is D, all of the above. 28th question is what is the shortcut key to create a new document in MS Word? And the answer is Ctrl plus N. 29th question is what is the smallest unit of data in a computer? And the answer is bit. 30th question is which key is used to move to next line in a MS Word document? And the answer is Enter key.